Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel and our next installment of the Rocketeer car build. So, step one, what we're going to do is we're going to pull the engine, we're going to pull the transmission, we're going to pull the subframe. I'm actually going to drop them all out the bottom. I don't know if you guys want to watch all this. And just like that, our transmission and engine stock are out of the car. So the reason why I didn't show you guys how to do that is if you can't pull your engine and transmission out of your Miata, stop now, find somebody to finish up this project, because that's probably the easiest part of this whole thing. So the stock exhaust system is completely off of the car. It was old original. I mean, the cool thing about this car is completely untouched. It's a real pleasure to actually work on a car like this that's basically a survivor car that hasn't been messed with over all of these years. But the stock exhaust system, she's gone. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the transmission off of the engine, because we're obviously reusing that. And then we have a few sensors that we need to remove as well. So let's get after that. Starter. Actually, these are all older original starters for Miatas are some of the best ones you can come across, because a lot of the remanufactured ones aren't nearly as good. So this is a bit of a gem, to be honest. One more. Off she comes. Easy as that. Stay tuned for our next installment. We've got some exciting things coming up.